Welcome back, guys. Working on the 500 again today. Check it out. You saw in the last video I got the top end pulled apart. I was going to go a different direction with that video. The whole premise of that video I did before was going to be a top end rebuild. Let me show it to you right here. But it's going to need more than a top end. As you can see, the piston's been metal to metal on the inside of that, as I showed before. I'm still not sure how I'm going to lay all these videos out, so just bear with me on the editing, because I think it's going to be basically a full replacement at this point. So the gas looks pretty, I think it's got some fuel in it. And the way this moves doesn't feel 100% smooth to me. So the motor's got to come out is the bottom line. So today I'm gonna be working on getting this motor out of here. We'll replace it, and like I said, I can't remember if I mentioned in the last video or not, but I doubt it's going back in this frame. I'm already looking for a new one to put it in, a newer frame, you know, something 2000s, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, somewhere in there. 450 or 250R, I'm not sure yet. Just depends on what I can find, somewhat local. So I'm going to be getting all this stuff off here, plate off. We're going to have to get the chain off, chain guard, big old bolt under here that goes through to the other side, through the swing arm, so that's going to have to come off. This bolt here, I think there's one down here. Yeah, there's that guy there. Control cables and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to leave those connected or not. I should be able to just pull them all off and cut the... I just tie wrapped in with the new electrical system I put on this thing that I never got to use. And that should be pretty close. I don't know that the subframe has to come off. I'll see as I get farther along into it. I'll keep you guys posted so you can see. I'm just going to time lapse most of this, so stick around and I'll get to work. Okay guys, got the motor out. I got things cleaned up a little bit. I'll show you in a second what I did. Nothing major. So, motor is out. That is the bottom. Jug and all that over here. Really not a whole lot to it. It's kind of weird how simple these things are. Not sure if you can really tell. This thing spins pretty freely. So I just don't know if there's anything wrong with it. Honestly, it could be 100% fine and I wouldn't know it. But I think since I've got the motor out, I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom end on it. New bottom end kit, crank seals, crank, all that stuff. Connecting rod, all that. Get that done. I'm still on the fence as to what to do with the jug here. There's no local machine shops that I have here in Albuquerque, so I'm going to have to send it somewhere. I'm just debating on where to send it. Talk to LA Sleeve, who can either bore it or put a new sleeve in it. But they're, you know, 4 weeks out minimum, 12 weeks out maximum, which I don't really want to wait that long. So, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do there. I still got to do some research. But here's the bike. I got everything put back together. Not everything, but, you know, just the swing arm, put the shock back together and all that, just so I can keep the bike together and move it around. I always try and put my bolts back if I can. You know, even as opposed to bagging them and tagging them, and like right when they're sitting there, I know exactly where they went, exactly how they went. If I ever use this frame again, I doubt that I will. I don't know, but I don't want to get rid of it. It's a really odd, you know, it's just, I don't know. I just don't want to get rid of it. It's a very odd feeling, but it takes up a lot of room, as you can tell. The same way with the JTO I'm building. I mean, you can see there's the old rear end there. There's the new one in that box. But I don't really want to get rid of this one, even though I don't think I'll ever use it. It's just original to the car, and I don't know what it is. It's just a weird thing. Anyway, so here's the bike. I think I'm gonna have to pull the electronics off it. I'm guessing I can still reuse all my electronics, the CDI box, the ignition, and the stator's already in there. I'm obviously gonna have to reuse that stator, so I'm guessing this stuff's gonna have to get reused as well. So, carb, I don't believe I'm gonna reuse. I'm gonna go ahead and order Electron for it, just for ease of operation. I've been told that they work really well. They have pretty high reviews from what I've been able to read and stuff, so I think that's the route I'm gonna go. But that's it for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please continue to comment, like, and subscribe. We appreciate it.